So I was having a great conversation with my best friend the other day, who is also a tier one software architect. And, he was sort of pushing back against concepts like make and N8N and so on. Not because he doesn't understand them. He understands them extremely well. But his objection, his concern was that these tools were sort of being used in the hands of people who were excited about the potential, but didn't really have software engineering discipline. So what you were getting was all this sort of really fast functionality that was initially very impressive, but eventually was really difficult to maintain. I actually agree with everything that he said. There was no but, there was nothing that I wanted to add to it, except to say that these same tools, like N8N and whatnot, are powerful in the hands of people like him and I, and presumably the other software engineers that are part of my community, because it's like we are carpenters, we are craftsmen, and we've been making wooden nails. And those definitely have merit. But all of a sudden, you can have these steel nails that are available, mass produced, that allow us to move so much faster. It doesn't eliminate the need for carpentry. It doesn't eliminate the need for carpenters and good craftsmanship. But in the right hands, they can be extremely powerful, and they can help the right people get things done better and faster. And frankly, like power tools, in the wrong hands, they can be extremely dangerous. So, anyway, I'd love to hear people's thoughts on this. Let me know what you think. Info@capbpm.com if you have questions, comments, if you want to argue about it. Thanks. Bye.